Hi folks, every now and then I get a steam engine in the shop that is just extremely good shape. I call them low mileage or low hours. You can tell it's just not been used much and it's been really cared for. And this is one of those. I was fortunate to get it. I got it from a fellow named Mickey Moore in Illinois and did a little bit of work to it. Rebuilt the sight glass, got it right, but it didn't need a whole lot of work. Cleaned it up a little bit. It's still got the original rivets and everything for the boiler bands from Tom Sr. back in the 50s. And the base is perfect. It's just perfect. The ID tag, the UL label, perfect. And rarely do I show the underneath because it's not that big a deal, but this one's just such pristine condition. Just look at that. Just how Senior and Mrs. Jensen would have done it. And take a little quick look around before I steam it up. The handles are still nice and bright red. I don't think they've been repainted. I cleaned up the boiler a little bit, as good as you can while it's still mounted. And this is one of the rare ones that has the knockouts for the firebox for the fuel-fired or flame-fired 75s. And Tom Sr. just used it for this, as he's been known to do. I did have to make a chimney for it, but pretty much pristine condition. Just a wonderful example. And enough talk, let's fire it up and get it going. Be right back, folks. Okay, we should be ready. It doesn't take much. This has got all the watts. It's 450 watts and it's tested out really strong. I've only got it on 85 volts right now. Everything works so sweet on this engine. Take a little closer look. The cord is really supple. It's crack-free as far as I can tell. And then you can just tell by the whole cord, just everything, all the presentation on this, it's really not been used much. Plug-ins crisp and good, and even the cardboard retainer's still on it. I'd give it a good 8 out of 10, 10 being new from the factory. Unique knockouts. I'm going to get a shot of that label and ID tag because they're in perfect condition. Be right back. Scratch or blemish on them. Board doesn't have a scratch. And then even at 85 volts, oh yes, 70 will run like a scalded dog. What a sweetheart. Thanks for looking, folks. St. Paul Steam saying have a nice day. Thanks again, Mickey. Bye.